Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, we have come into Hyde Park, Winter Wonderland, hit down in London. And I'm a bit disappointed because I did have my Sony a6600 with me and I got told I wasn't allowed to use it, not allowed to use cameras. So I've got the GoPro out and hopefully they won't notice me using a GoPro. How stupid. Although I have seen other vloggers down here vlogging with their cameras, apparently you're not allowed to vlog. Yeah, okay, let them chuck me out. I'm only here for an hour. So here we are, stealth filming at Winter Wonderland because I'm not allowed to film. You're allowed to film on your phone, however, which makes absolutely no sense to me whatsoever. Anywho, let's have a quick look around. Place here for Chris, the Texas smoker. Although he doesn't smoke actually, but yeah. Anywho, look at that bad boy. Wow. So this smoker, which I can actually feel the heat of right now, is a 1946 fire truck. It's a Chevy fire truck and the only fire truck smoker in the UK. It was imported from, I'm not even going to try and say that word, well I will, Potawatomi Indian Reservation in Kansas, USA, converted by Texas Smoker Limited to work the festival scene. It is capable of smoking up to 800 kilograms of meat in one go. Wow, and yeah, I did read all off the sign. Hey! Feast your eyes upon that bad boy. Fire truck burger. We've got brisket burger patty with pulled pork, pulled beef, barbecue sauce, cheese. Do you know what it is? I don't even have to try it. It's good. It's good. Just believe me, it's good. Yep. Yep, I was right. There was nothing not to like about that burger. Absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. I can't say it, but it was good. The price wasn't, but yeah. If that ever happens to you, you've got a problem. When your crepes crumble. That is the biggest funhouse I have ever seen. Oh my God. Look at the size of that. Wow. And what do you reckon about this for a roller coaster? And bear in mind, this is a mobile roller coaster, so it gets taken down, gets taken to another festival, and it goes all over Europe. So it's all able to be disassembled and reassembled. Look at the loops in that bad boy! Wow! So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one big one in the middle. 5 loops. Look at that. Unbelievable. Here we go, we've got a train on its way there now. Unfortunately, we won't be able to go on it because of the size of the queue. There's all different sections. So this is the Bavarian village, where it's obviously German based, and you have your German beers, your German bratwursts, etc., etc. Give you a quick look over here. We are pushed for time because there's been issues with the trains, and we have to get an earlier train, unfortunately. So this is just a whistle-top tour of what we have to offer here. that holds you up there so long? Or has it broken? Because that seems way too long. Oh, it's going up a little bit further. There it goes. So like I say, it's just a whistle-stop tour tonight because there's issues with the trains. There's been a lot of cancellations and they are very busy on the ones that are remaining. So yeah, we need to try and get on the train ASAP to get back up home. Otherwise, we may be stuck down here. So like I say, unfortunately, that is all the footage I have of Winter Wonderland down at Hyde Park. Tomorrow we are going to Newcastle Winter Wonderland and see what that has to offer. It's a similar sort of thing, but smaller. A much smaller scale, smaller rides, smaller area. Everything's just smaller, basically. Anywho, see you all tomorrow from me and Matty. And now it's time to do your job.